Did you know that the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra has already sold over 1 million units within just the first month of its release? Yeah, you heard that right. This tablet is making waves in the market, and for good reason. Let's dive into why this device is turning heads. Alright folks, today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. This tablet isn't just another device on the shelf, it's a premium powerhouse that's redefining what we should expect from our tablets. With its sleek design and jaw-dropping features, it's definitely a strong contender against its competitors. Stick around because you're going to want to know all the juicy details about this gadget. Now let's set the stage for a minute. We all love tablets, right? But let's be real, they come with their fair share of headaches. Whether it's lagging performance when you've got a bunch of apps open, battery life that dies faster than you can say Netflix, or apps that just don't play nice with each other, it can be frustrating. And let's not even get started on the struggle of finding a tablet that can actually handle multitasking without throwing a tantrum. So, how does the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra step up to the plate and tackle these issues? Well, hold on to your seats because we're about to break it down. Alright, let's dive into the specs of this beauty. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra boasts a stunning 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display that's just for binge-watching your favorite shows or getting work done. The colors pop, and the resolution is insane. Under the hood, it's powered by the latest Snapdragon processor, which means lightning-fast performance and smooth multitasking. Plus, you've got options for up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. That's right, say goodbye to lag. And don't forget about the accessories like the S Pen, which not only feels natural in your hand but also opens up a world of creative possibilities. Whether you're sketching, taking notes, or just navigating the tablet, it feels intuitive and seamless. But here's the kicker. What really sets the S10 Ultra apart? It's the camera capabilities. This tablet features a dual-lens setup that can capture stunning photos and videos, making it a game-changer for content creators. Imagine being able to shoot high-quality videos right from your tablet. And let's talk about multitasking. With its split-screen feature, you can easily work on 2 apps at the same time. You could be watching a video while taking notes or even video chatting while browsing the web. That's the kind of flexibility that makes this tablet hard to resist. So, to wrap things up, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is not just another tablet, it's a versatile, powerful device that excels in performance, display quality, and functionality. It addresses all those common tablet woes and then some. If you're in the market for a premium tablet that can handle anything you throw at it, the S10 Ultra should definitely be on your radar. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra? Is it on your wish list, or do you have your eyes on something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my other tech reviews for more cool gadgets and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.